CKY, the Android guy. Hey guys, showing you a very innovative thing coming out of Polaroid's camp. That is a new camera that really is just very interesting. So it's called a Polaroid Socialmatic, and very nice design, very popular, I would feel, very modern style. And it does have a 14 megapixel resolution, Android 4.3 on board with a 4.5-inch touchscreen. You do also print out full photos at a 2x3 with full color, and the photos are printed from Sync 0. The really nice part about this is every one of these photos prints out with a hashtag. So the really nice part about that is the fact that you can actually see it, see where it's being trended, as well as being able to download the photo yourself for all your friends and family. It can be shared with these as well as other social apps on Android Google Play Store, and we do expect it around the fall of 2014. Sorry, I forgot what year I'm in. Suggest retail is going to be $299. So, can't wait to see this and how it comes about. Thanks for watching. This has been RICKY, the Android guy.